Cybersecurity Triad and
CIA? The spy agency?
the Bella Padula model. And I know it sounds like a pasta dish.
Yeah. Don't give the intern admin access. Welcome to Tech Talk Unfiltered, especially if you're into tech and like keeping stuff safe online. Welcome to Tech Talk Unfiltered. I'm Shahid.
And I'm Humera, and oh man, today's episode is like one of my favorite topics ever. I've been waiting for this one.
Yeah, I can tell. You've been talking about this all week. We're diving into, drumroll, security principles. It's not just about firewalls and strong passwords, right?
Nope, not even close. We're going to talk about the big three, like the core security triad, and some common models and like principles that honestly every techie should know.
All right, cool. So let's just get into it, yeah? Okay, so you keep saying security triad like it's, this super sacred thing. What is it exactly? Wait.
Oh, it kind of is sacred, honestly. So the security triad, also called the CIA Triad, is made up of three pillars: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And like every security decision in some way ties back to these three.
CIA? That's not the spy agency?
Haha, same letters, different meaning. So first up, confidentiality is all about keeping info private. Think passwords, encryption, stuff that makes sure only the right people can see the data.
Right. Like not letting your little brother read your WhatsApp messages.
Exactly. Then there's integrity, and that's about making sure the data isn't messed with or altered. Like if I send you a file and someone changes it mid-transfer, that's a no-go.
Okay. Like keeping it real, no tampering.
Yes, spot on. And the last one, availability, is just making sure people can actually access the stuff when they need to. Like if your banking app is down for 5 hours, that's a major issue.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's like the worst. Okay, so that triad actually makes sense. But then you also said there's these security models too?
So think of the triad like goals, and the models are more like rules or like ways to achieve those goals.
Cool. So hit me with one.
All right, there's the Bella Padula model, and I know it sounds like a pasta dish, but it's really about is mostly used in military or government settings.
Wait, so how does it work?
Okay, so picture this. Imagine a classified doc. Bell Apalua says two main things: no read up and no write down. So like, if you're at a lower clearance level, you can't read higher level stuff. And you also can't write stuff to a lower level. That's to prevent leaks, basically.
Okay, I get it now. No leaking top secret stuff to the mailroom.
Yep, exactly. Then there's the BIBA model. It's kind of like the opposite. It's focused on integrity. So this one's all about no write-up and no read-down. That way, lower quality data doesn't mess with high integrity stuff.
Wait, that sounds kind of trippy. Like, how do you remember all that?
I just like say it out loud a lot. I don't know. It's one of those things that sticks after a while. But yeah, Bella Padula, BIBA, integrity.
Okay. I think I'm following. Any others?
For sure. There's also the Clark-Wilson model, which is more commercial. It focuses on well-formed transactions and separation of duties. Like it makes sure that no single person can mess everything up.
Oh, like when one person approves payments and someone else actually sends the money?
Yep, you nailed it. That's exactly the idea. Splitting responsibility so one bad actor can't wreck the system.
Man, I didn't realize there were like so many layers to this.
Oh, totally. And then there are general principles too, like kind of the mindset security folks use.
Okay, lay those on me.
All right, so first one is the principle of least privilege. That just means people should only have access to what they need and nothing more.
Yeah. Don't give the intern admin access.
Aha, exactly. Then there's defense in depth. Basically, you stack security, like even if one layer fails, you've got backups.
So like password +2, FA plus, I don't know, like maybe a firewall?
Yep, all that. Then there's fail-safe defaults, which means if something goes wrong, the system should default to deny instead of allow. So better safe than sorry.
Okay, I like that one. Feels kind of paranoid, but like in a good way.
Totally. It's like healthy paranoia. Keep stuff safe.
Wow, okay, that was like a lot of stuff, but also really cool. I didn't think I'd be this into security, not gonna lie.
I told you it was cool. It's like once you get into it, you start seeing it everywhere. It's not just about tech, it's about trust and systems and like people too.
All right, I'm sold. So if you're listening and you want to dig even deeper, make sure to follow Tech Talk Unfiltered. We've got more episodes coming that like build on this stuff.
Yep. And if you've got questions or want to hear about something specific, hit us up. We love that.
All right, catch you all next time. Stay safe, stay curious.
And don't give your little brother your admin password.